Did you know that IELTS, TOEFL, TOEIC, and Cambridge exams are some of the most popular English proficiency tests in the world? Can you guess which one is often preferred by international students and professionals? Welcome to Learn English with Mandla. I'm MK. If you want to boost your English skills for the IELTS test or real-life conversations, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Today, we're diving into IELTS Speaking Part 2. This is one of the most critical sections of the test. I'll walk you through how to make the most of that 1-minute preparation time and how to deliver a clear, well-organized response that impresses the examiner. Why prepare for the IELTS Speaking Part 2? IELTS isn't just about passing a test. It's designed to assess essential communication skills like fluency and coherence, vocabulary usage, which is lexical resource, grammar and accuracy, as well as pronunciation. Examiners want to see that you can express your opinions clearly, that you can speak in detail using organized ideas, and that you can explain and justify your thoughts. These aren't just test skills, they're crucial communication skills for real life. So whether you're preparing for IELTS, improving fluency, or planning to work or study abroad, mastering these techniques will help you shine. IELTS Speaking Part 2. What is the format? In Part 2, the examiner gives you a task card with a specific topic and some prompts. You get 1 minute to prepare and to take notes. Then you will need to speak for 1 to 2 minutes uninterrupted. After that, the examiner will ask 1 or 2 follow-up questions. Great. So, what are some of the effective answering techniques for IELTS Speaking Part 2? To ace this section, follow these simple steps that I have for you. 1. Plan your response. How do you do this? Use keywords in your notes. While taking notes, use keywords. Avoid writing full sentences. This will waste your time. Just jot down key ideas. Secondly, describe clearly. The question for Part 2 is describe something or someone. Okay? Always answer the main question, describe, on the card. Third, cover all sub-questions. Okay? So they've asked you to describe something, a situation, or a person. Then they are followed by sub-questions. These sub-questions are the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, why, and how. So use these to build a complete answer. 4, organize your answer. And you can do this by using linking words, such as firstly, also, next, however, and also in conclusion, just for smooth transitions to show that you are linking the story or the ideas together. And number 5, use synonyms and paraphrase, just to show a variety in your vocabulary. And 6, start and conclude well. So wrap up confidently with statements like, that's why I really admire this person. Or, in summary, I had a wonderful experience. So that's why I admire this person would be a conclusion for describe someone. Okay? I had a wonderful experience would be a question or an answer to a question where it says describe a time when or describe a situation when. So these are great concluding sentences that you could use. Great. Let's look at a sample task card. Okay. So the task card says, describe a friend you enjoy spending time with. Sub questions. How often do you see this person? What do you usually do together? And where do you go? Why do you like him or her? And how do you think your relationship might change in the future? So you will have 1 minute to prepare and take down notes. Just a suggested sample answer. One of my closest friends is Anna. She is in her late 20s with curly brown hair and a big friendly smile. I usually see her once a month because we're both busy with work. When we meet up, we love hiking in the mountains or having lunch at our favorite cafe. She's easygoing, a great listener, and always brings positive energy. I really enjoy spending time with her because we've known each other for years and understand each other well. Although our work schedules may get busier in the future, I'm confident we'll stay close friends. What do you think about this sample answer? Let's ask the question. Did it answer the question? Describe a friend. Um, did I explain using examples? And also, did I paraphrase and connect ideas? Which is really important for part 2. Great. I hope you got that and it's clear enough. Now it's your turn. Choose this topic to practice. So this is the task card for your practice. Okay? Describe a family member that you get along well with. You should say who they are, why you like them, what you like doing together, and explain why you think you get along so well. Just some note-taking tips. Who are they? Who's this person? What is your relationship? Is it your mother, your father, your aunt, etc.? What do they look like? This is again to answer describe. Okay? To describe this person. Also, don't forget some key personality traits. How are they? Confident, kind, hardworking. What do you do together? Watch movies, cook together, hang out. Something to think about again while taking notes. Why do you get along so well? Is it because of similar interests? Is it some shared memories? So these are just good enough tips to get you going for making those keywords on your notes. Write your answer in the comments below using the note-taking techniques that we have learned today. I'll be reading and giving feedback. Thank you for joining me today. If you found the lesson helpful, let me know what important points stood out to you. Next time, we'll continue with part 2 strategies and new question cards, so don't miss it. Remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for more lessons on IELTS and fluency building tips. Happy speaking. Remember to subscribe.